Ultimate Guide for Beginners on Robo-Advisors for Real Estate Crowdfunding in 2024. Step 1. Understand real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a platform where investors can pool their money to invest in real estate projects, such as property development, renovation, or rental properties. It allows individuals to access the real estate market with lower investment minimums and diversify their portfolios. Step 2. Learn about Robo-Advisors. Robo-Advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to manage and invest your money. They offer low fees, diversification, and professional management. In the context of real estate crowdfunding, Robo-Advisors provide a platform for investors to access a diversified portfolio of real estate projects with minimal effort. Step 3. Choose a robo-advisor for real estate crowdfunding research and choose a reputable robo-advisor for real estate crowdfunding. Some popular options include Fundrise, Rich Uncle's Realty Mogul Pier Street, ground floor. Step 4. Sign up and create an account. Sign up for the Robo-Advisors platform and create an account. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Step 5. Fund your account. Fund your account with the minimum required amount. The minimum investment varies by Robo-Advisor, but it's typically around $1,000 to $5,000. Step 6. Choose your investment portfolio. Select the investment portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Robo-advisors typically offer different portfolios with varying levels of risk and potential returns. Step 7. Set your investment strategy. Set your investment strategy, including the frequency of investments, dividend reinvestment, and tax loss harvesting. Step 8. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Monitor your portfolio's performance regularly and adjust your investment strategy as needed. Robo-advisors often provide regular updates and analytics to help you make informed decisions. Step 9. Withdraw your funds. Withdraw your funds at any time, although there may be penalties or fees associated with early withdrawals. Step 10. Stay informed and educated. Stay informed about the real estate market and the performance of your investments. Continuously educate yourself on real estate crowdfunding and robo-advisors to make informed investment decisions. Additional tips: diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple projects and asset classes. Be aware of the fees associated with the robo-advisor and the projects you invest in. Consider investing in tax-efficient accounts such as IRAs or 401(k)s. Research the robo-advisor's reputation, security measures, and customer support before investing. By following these steps, you can navigate the world of real estate crowdfunding robo-advisors and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed to achieve your financial goals.